Hi everyone, I'm Kelly and welcome to my first ever makeup tutorial. I have been watching so many makeup tutorials on Facebook and YouTube, and I am super excited to finally be doing one of my very own. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my absolute least favorite looks. It's a look that I wear for work sometimes, mostly on special occasions, and it's best paired with a couple weeks of not showering and some sunflower seeds and just a generally salty attitude. Now, normally I would already have my hair up before I start putting on my makeup for the day, but I'm gonna skip that part and I hope that you guys can just bear with me, all right? Now, the most important thing that you need to do before applying your makeup is to wash your face. You need to get all that dirt off and all that oil off, and you probably still have some makeup on from, yesterday. Now, you might not have any water or soap available, but that's okay because baby wipes work just as good. And maybe if you're feeling a little fancy, you have a makeup remover towelette to use instead. So go ahead and grab your baby wipe or your makeup towelette and just go ahead and clean off your face, okay? You want to get all of it. Today I'm going to be using a product from Hunter's Specialties, and full disclosure, I am not sponsored by Hunter's Specialties in any way. I just absolutely love their makeup. This specific product is called Camo Compact. It's spelled without a T. I don't know why. Inside this Camo Compact, that's only like $3, you get 5 different colors and you get a mirror. Now, the problem with this makeup, and anyone that's used this can tell you, it's basically just colored wax. So if it's cold, there is no chance of you being able to apply this to your face. It's just not going to happen. So you're going to have to warm it up. There are some tips and tricks that I've learned that I'm going to share with you guys. You can put it in your pocket and use your body heat to warm it up. You can set it out in the sun to warm up. You can maybe put it on a vehicle hood so that the engine warms it up while it's running. You can also blow on it for a while, like approximately 3 to 5 minutes without getting dizzy. Or you can find someone who smokes, or maybe you smoke yourself, and grab their lighter. And you're just going to basically hold the makeup up close, but don't set your makeup on fire, and let that flame warm the wax up. Now, the whole point of wearing camouflage is to blend in with your surroundings, not look like a human so that nobody can find you. And while that is my goal on a daily basis in real life, with camo makeup, it basically means taking your face and doing everything you can to just make it look like it's not a face anymore, okay? And while this compact comes with 5 different colors, like I mentioned earlier, I'm only going to use 2 out of laziness, or let's call it simplicity, okay? There are several different patterns that you can use to apply camouflage to your face. And everybody has their favorite, and trust me, I have seen them all. I've seen the Rambo, the Wilson, the Dalmatian, the But Do I Have To, the Joker, the Pirate, the Chewbacca, the Braveheart, the Bandit, the Mustache. I just use a very basic pattern so that I can put on my makeup and get started with my day. I start off with the light green color and I apply it to the lowest points of my face. That's your eye sockets and right below your cheekbones. Now, I hate it when people just pretend like their lips aren't a part of their face and don't put camel paint on them. All right, once you have light green on all the low spots of your face, you're going to take black and fill in on all your high spots. That's like your nose, your chin, your cheekbones, and your forehead. All right, now to complete this look, you're gonna go ahead and have to put camo all over your neck and your ears. All right, so if you feel like your skin is literally crying because of how heavily coated it is with wax, then that means you're probably done. So thanks for joining me.